Pull, pull, pull.
Oh boy, what's in behind you?
Whoa! The heart of Fiji. Can you jump, Stelly?
No. Okay.
Stellan, who'd you find? Who is it? Go show me. Oh, it's Moana. Are you going with Moana? Oh, cool. Oh, Maui? I don't know. You could be Maui. You love Moana?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
Okay, let's go. Let's go for a great treasure.
Are you a voyager?
What do you do?
Are you a voyager?
No, yeah.
Go get Moana.
What?
You're a voyager. Go, Stelly, go. Let's go find all the sea creatures, okay? Here we go. Look what we have here. Look, over here. Stelly, look. What's this? What is it?
A turtle.
Sea turtle. Let me see. A dolphin? It is a dolphin. This is really nice and soft, isn't it? What's this, Stelly? Starfish. Look at this. A little baby turtle, huh? Little baby turtle? Little baby turtle. Look at. There's a clam. And there's a sand dollar. Are you relaxing, buddy? Julian. Oh no. Look up behind you. There's sharks. Ah! Sharks in the water, buddy. Sharks in the water. Pretty big jump.
Yeah.
How far is that?
Really far.
It's probably like 3 feet. That's a pretty big jump.
Let me tell you how big it is.
Ooh. Look at that, dude. Oh. What's he doing? What's that thing?
That's an armadillo.
He's cute, isn't he? Look at this splash pad.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. Woo! There you go. Woo! Nice.
Watch it stop going
So Juju, come on.
I lost the camera!
There you
Hey guys, was that fun? Coming through, you get off the camera.
Okay.
Are you okay, Daddy? Yeah.
Juju. Hey, duckies. They're all over. They're so cute. They're hungry. They want some corn. Here's Mama.
Hi, Ducky. That is Papa. We love Ducky.
What's for lunch, Juju?
Cheeseburgers and French fries and cookies.
Oh man, more junk food.
I have junk food every breakfast.
What?
I have junk food every breakfast. Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding. What are you having, Stellan? Pizza. You like it?
Yeah. Pizza, baby,
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
What you doing, silly goose?
Pizza?
You're the cheeseburger king, aren't you? Now it's cookie time? Chocolate? Oh boy.
That's gonna be just my french fries, buddy.
They stole Jimmy's french fries over there.
He wants your cookie. What you guys doing? Relaxing?
We're on the helmet. Oh, we're on the helmet.
Ah, you're getting all sandy.
And the sand feels so good on your feet. Feel it.
Stellan, what all do you have? We don't need all this stuff.
Oh no, you're not getting all that.
No. Stellan, what do you smell, Stellan?
Stellan, what is it?
Some chicken stuff.
Some stinky stuff? Does it smell bad or smell good?
Stuff out there.
Stinky stuff?
These are stinky stuff.
Why'd you do that? Why?